Hi, my name is Joshua Sellers and I'm a Marketing Communications Manager here at Blackbox. Today, I'm excited to tell you about the benefits of our rich set of REST APIs that are available on our Emerald KVM platform through the Boxzilla System Manager. With me today is Max. He's a solutions architect at Blackbox and will guide us through the demo. Hi Max, thanks for joining us today.
Joshua, thanks for having me.
At Blackbox, we're extremely proud of our Emerald product family developed by our team in Ireland. The award-winning Emerald system offers freedom and flexibility that legacy matrix systems simply can't offer. Boxzilla is our centralized KVM manager that you can use to manage the Emerald system. By providing a rich set of APIs, our customers can freely choose how their KVM system is controlled and integrate Emerald with their existing IT infrastructure via Active Directory and syslog. And it's also possible to make Boxzilla part of your workflow via Lavo, VSM, or Skyliner data miner. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how Boxzilla's APIs can make KVM transparent to the user by integrating with the Lavo VSM software. Okay, Max, can you take us through your setup here?
Sure, I can. The setup consists of an Emerald receiver connected over IP to two Emerald transmitters. I also have a control bridge panel, which is an IP-based device that allows you to create a custom graphical user interface where users can tap to trigger the events on multiple devices. In this setup, we have Control Bridge configured to speak to Emerald through its appliance-level APIs. Typically, with KVM systems, we use an on-screen display to switch between multiple targets. However, we can use APIs to initiate switching. That's what the Control Bridge does. Control Bridge uses the API of the receiver to cause a switching event. This is a very basic use of an APIs.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And Emerald can do even cooler things, for example, by using the APIs in the central KVM manager Boxzilla. Boxzilla itself can use the APIs to cause multiple switching events with one click. This can be controlled by a custom application or standard device managers, such as Virtual Studio Manager or VSM in broadcast applications.
Before you go any further, can you tell us what a VSM is?
A VSM control system brings together all the requirements for a safe and flexible broadcast operation. With a VSM, you can configure user panels and interfaces without limitation to meet the requirements of different workflows and applications. These user panels control multiple systems. Now we'll show you Emerald switching via these panels.
Okay, so the idea is users are familiar with these panels, and pushing these buttons sets the KVM event for each task and reconfigures their desk, as well as the applications they are accessing.
Exactly. As initially explained, I have an Emerald receiver connected to 1 gigabit network. This gives us access to the physical machines through transmitters and to virtual machines directly connected over the network. Boxzilla is on the same network and allows for control by Lavo VSM via the REST API. Okay, so you can see I'm running a video editing application here, and let's assume I'm done with this task and need to move on to another task. I press the button on my touchscreen and it configures my Emerald receiver. Let me provide an example of where this functionality would be helpful. A user could be in a broadcast truck or a broadcast center, where many systems, including Emerald, will be reconfigured with just the press of a button on this touchscreen. Lining up cameras, video and audio routers, and what is piped to workspace and desks. This is easy for Emerald because of the rich API and the fact that Emerald and Boxzilla also sit on the standard IP network. Take a look as I press a button on my touchscreen and Emerald reconfigures itself for the next task. This demo only showcases the Lavo VSM, but other orchestration or system managers such as Skyliner data miner would work similarly with Emerald.
Through its IP-based technology, Emerald really is designed for today's and tomorrow's requirements. By using IP-based KVM, you can integrate with existing systems or IT infrastructure and applications with ease. Emerald's rich APIs enable better user workflows by allowing users to focus on their tasks instead of the technology. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about Emerald, please visit blackbox.com/emerald.